friends, welcome to a spine strengthening Pilates workout. So we're going to start with back extension. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach those arms out nice and wide, looking down towards the top of your mat, taking all that tension out of your neck. We're going to squeeze those legs together. Think about pressing the tops of your legs into the mat, and we're just going to lift up our chest. Maybe squeeze those elbows back slightly as you exhale. Inhale, bring it back down. So exhale, lift, bringing it back down. Now I want you to think about squeezing from your shoulders rather than squeezing up through your neck. You almost want to let your neck kind of hang out here, falling forward. As you squeeze up, exhale, inhale, lower. Now this next one, we're going to bring an ear to the mat. So bring that right ear to the mat. We're going to bend that right knee. And we're just going to lift that leg up. Now this is a great place to be. If you want just a little bit more, maybe you're going to bring your forearms down and then lift this leg. Think about almost straightening it out, bending it, lift. Straighten out, bend, lift. Now this might be the part right away where you get a cramp. You definitely needed this today. Exhale, lift. Inhale, reset. Exhale, lift. Inhale, reset. Now maybe if you have your ear down, you're going to switch sides and we're going to do that other side. Bend that knee and lift. Now if at any point you need to come out of this, come into a child's pose, please feel free. Bend that knee, point it up. Bend that knee, point it up. This next one, we're going to come all the way down. We're going to reach those hands out in front of us. Now again, not putting a lot of tension in your neck. Can you squeeze your shoulder blades together? We're going to bring those legs together. Squeezing them together, we're going to lift everything up. Squeeze. Bring it all down. Lift it up. Squeeze. Lift those legs. Bring it all down. Now maybe you're just lifting those legs. Maybe that feels like enough for you. Maybe even just lifting your chest is enough. Putting it together is pretty advanced, but you got this. Maybe putting your hands down by your side and trying just that leg lift. When you're ready, we're going to bring those arms out in front of us. Ooh, little break here. You're going to send that left leg up, right arm up. We're going to reach. Exhale, bring it down. Other side, reach. If you want just a little bit more here, maybe you're going to lift everything up and we're going to swim it up. For kind of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's pull it all down. Put those hands underneath your shoulders. Push yourself up and back. Maybe find a child's pose, reaching those knees up. Reaching those hands forward, maybe holding for a second. When you're ready, we're going to do some cat-cow. So in that belly drop, stick your tailbone out, look up. Exhale, really rounding, tucking that chin, tucking that pelvis, looking towards your belly button, looking towards that belly button. I hope you've been following along with the Pilates series. We've got one more workout coming your way after this one. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what challenge you want to see next.